Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Adele. So a lot of you guys liked my previous video that I gave for my course. It was about product research and one of the methods I use. Well, anyways, today the video is going one of my Facebook scaling strategies. This is more of a horizontal strategy that I've been using and I still use to this day. So I made this course a little bit over a year ago, and what I'm doing is releasing some of the footage for you guys to see and you guys to learn from, so you guys can put into your strategies, whether you're making a new Shopify store or doing anything. By the way, you guys can use my Shopify link and sign up and make a membership for $1 by using the link down below. So you guys can pay $1, try out your Shopify store, launch it, and just pay $1. Make sure you go do that. Subscribe, like the video, comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram. Sure, if you're looking for someone to run your ads for you for your business, whether you're a retail business or an e-commerce business, let me know down below. I also have the link down to my marketing agency where you can fill out and schedule a call with me and my team, and we'll get right into the video. Alright, so guys, now we're going to get into how I start duplicating ad sets. So we created our first ad set here with our sterilizer and our engaged shoppers, and this is the audience number that we have at 7.6 million. That is a good audience range, and we're going to start testing at our $10 budget. As I said before, you guys can start at $5 depending on what your budget is. I normally start at $10 and I create around 5 ad sets. So right now we're going to duplicate this, and we're going to leave it as original campaign, show existing reactions and comments and shares. You always want to make sure this is on so it's not a different post. So all we do at this point is just duplicate the ad sets, not the ad copy, just the ad sets. And we're going to go down and we're going to leave everything here the same. And then we're just going to edit our detailed targeting. So we had sterilization on the first one before. So now what we're going to do is we're going to see different ones. So there's cleaning, ultraviolet. So I'm going to go just down the list. Ultraviolet is a different UV ray. So that definitely will go with it. Ultraviolet and engaged shoppers, we have that at 5.7 million. And 5.7 million is our audience. And we're just going to keep it like that. We're going to publish that. And this is exactly how I go into testing a new product. I just start duplicating it with different audiences. And then eventually, when you do find that winning audience, that's when you go all in and start scaling that ad set. And we just kind of want to get a feel of what our audience is like. So this is the testing phase. You know, this is where you're going to need to have that money, where you're going to start testing with different ad sets, whether it's different copies, you know, with different images and different videos. So now we're going to duplicate this for the third time, and we're going to find a different audience. As I said before, I like to keep it on 2, you know, just 2 different interests. So now here we're just going to change it. So we had ultraviolet before. So now I'm thinking, when I searched up on Google Trends, personal care was one of them. So we're going to change it to personal care, and that's at 15 million. So we're just going to change the title over here. And our audience size is 15 million. So now we have that third ad set done. Now we're going to go to our fourth one. Same thing, duplicate. And basically, once you create that first ad set, that's one where it takes you time. After that, it's just pretty much easy, just duplicating everything. And then we're going to click suggestions, and another one I saw was, I believe it was sterilizer. So our next one will be laser, our fourth one. Publish on that one. And then we're going to go to our final one. You can create up to, I've created up to 20 ad sets, but I would say normal when you don't really have a big budget, spending around $50 a day on ads is an ideal situation. So we're just gonna start off with 5 ad sets. Are going to be our last and final ad set, and we're going to create our last one here. So we have personal care, beauty, health and wellness. Health and wellness is definitely one because people who are interested in this certain product definitely care about their health in a way, because this sterilizer, what it does is basically an air purifier. It cleans the aerial bacteria in the air. So this is definitely a interest that would intervene with this product. So it is health and wellness. And our audience size is 19 million. And that's it. So now that we created 5 different ad sets with this, what I would suggest to do in this situation, because basically I am showing an example of what you would do. If you want, in your situation, you can create a different campaign. So right here, and this one could be a video ad copy, but with the same ad sets that you're running on your image to test which one does better. But right now in the next video, I'm going to show you guys on how you can create custom audiences and lookalike audiences. So basically on that section, we're going to talk about all about retargeting and that sort of stuff. So now that we created the ad sets, that's pretty much the end of what I started doing in our testing phase. And now I'm going to show you kind of what the post-testing phase is like. So in this phase, basically here, you just create as many different ad sets with different interests and show different ad copies, and depending which one gets the better results. Also, I'm going to add in on how you can do CBO campaigns and scale that. Also, if you don't know what that already stands for, that stands for campaign budget optimization. I'll get into that with you guys pretty soon. All right, guys, I'll see you.